Nouns. Nouns. They're all around me. I see them when I read. I use them when I write. They're everywhere. The most common type of noun is a common noun. That's because they name any type of person, place or thing, like boy, girl, ball, pencil, and school. These are all examples of common nouns. Another type of noun is a collective noun. These are groups of people or things, like a family, a class, or a herd. Finally, let's look at proper nouns. They name a specific person, place, or thing, and they always begin with a capital letter. Let's take a closer look. Instead of saying, "The girl is enjoying the film," you can be more specific and say, "Sue is enjoying the film." Here's another one. The children go to school every day. Now let's be specific. The children go to Bushmill Primary School every day. Nouns. They really are all around you.